Welcome to my top 8 favorite products to embroider. I hope you find something intriguing here. Starting with number 1, tea towels. These aren't just any towels. They have a wonderful waffle texture, are sufficiently thick, and always look amazing in photos. Plus, they make delightful gifts. Everyone who has received one of these embroidered towels from me has been incredibly pleased and grateful. You can embroider virtually anything on them, from simple designs to intricate fringed details, as well as any words or phrases you like. Next up, my second favorite item to embroider, napkins and small tablecloths. These can instantly elevate any table setting, bringing a festive or elegant touch with any design you choose. Just hoop, embroider, and they're ready to be gifted or to serve as a charming addition to any present. Coming in at number 3 on my list of favorites are decorative pillowcases. I prefer to buy them from IKEA because they're made of sturdy cotton, are generously sized, and come in a variety of colors, all at an affordable price. These pillowcases provide the perfect canvas for my embroidery designs, adding a personalized touch to any home decor. Number 4 on my list are tote bags. There are many different styles available, but I opt for solid colored ones to ensure that any embroidery stands out beautifully, whether you gift them or Number 5 on my favorites list are sweatshirts. They're thick, and any embroidery on them looks absolutely stunning, garnering a lot of compliments whether you gift them or wear them yourself. People always notice them. You can embroider on the front, on a sleeve, on the back, or even both on a sleeve and the front. Another popular spot is along the collar, which always elicits a lot of excitement and truly looks amazing. Next up are t-shirts, which are perfect for a variety of designs and phrases. My second to last favorite are fluffy blankets, ideal for those cozy vibes. And finally, for times when you don't want to think about where to place your embroidery, but still want to create something, framed embroidery makes for an elegant and simple choice.